So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening guys. Welcome back to the another session conducted by Olymptrade broker. My name is Kunal Kapoor and I am the financial expert for the day. I hope you guys are doing great and everything is going fine on your side, and of course, like always, you guys are ready to learn a new strategy. Okay, so I can confirm that my audio and video is all clear. I have already checked with my own device, but still guys, I would love to have a confirmation from your end. As I can see that there are some comments, so of course you guys are already aware that comment section is already open for you guys. So if you will be finding any difficulties, any doubts, make sure you ping that in the comment section and I'll be taking care of that. Apart from that guys, please confirm me if everything is clear, my audio and my video is clear. Hello Devinder ji, very good evening. Santosh ji, Parnam. Sandeep ji, hello. Devinder ji, thank you so much for the confirmation. So guys, we will hardly wait for next 2 to 3 minutes and then we will start this session. As you guys have already checked the name of the strategy. The name of the strategy is Friday. How to use it, apply it manually, technically, automatically. I'll be talking about that one. How these technical tools are going to help you, how they are making signals. I'll be talking about everything. Apart from that, if you need some help in your trading psychology, money management, risk management, because that is something which most of the traders are struggling with. So of course, I would love to talk about that also. And one more thing guys, a small surprise is already there. A small surprise is already lined up for you guys. So make sure you stay connected till the end of the session so that you will be able to enjoy that also, get a hold on that also. So just a quick minute break, like just a quick minute wait, and then we will be kicking off the session. Till the time guys, please confirm me like how's your trading going on. Devendra ji, Santosh ji, Sandeep ji, like if you have tried this strategy in the past, or like how was your experience, if you would love to share anything, and how your trading is going on, like if you are able to make some profits. If you don't want to share the profits, that is completely fine, but guys, if any one of you is facing any losses, make sure share your experience with me, because I will try my best to help you with all your trading concerns. Okay, so I can see that a very nice number of viewers is already there, like so many people have already joined. So let's kick off the session without wasting any time. So guys, welcome again. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. Olymptrade is used to line up some sessions every now and then just to help our traders in their trading concern. So this is one of them. So guys, if you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe the channel. Black Cobra ji, you can use this strategy, that is very quick. Yes sir, today good profit. Santosh ji, I am happy to know that. So guys, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, because every now and then whenever we will be coming live, so you will be getting a notification and you will be able to get connect with us. During this session, we will be talking about different technical tools, strategies, market news, market updates, just to help you to improve your trading skill. So make sure before leaving the session, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of it, so next time we can connect again. If you are comfortable in English, so Wednesday and Friday 6:30 to 7:30 Indian Standard Time, that is the time when we are coming live in English. We are conducting live session in 8 different languages, so as per your availability and as per your suitability, you can explore the specific playlist also, because all the sessions which we are going to conduct or which we have conducted in the past, everything is saved on the platform, on the same channel. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start, let's kick off the session. So guys, the screen which is visible to you guys, that is the application which I have downloaded in my laptop. Like it's a browser, so it is something similar to the laptop application version, so it's exact same. Some of my friends, of course, they must be using this same application in their mobile, so interface might be different, but one thing I can confirm, that all the buttons are going to be available to you. The location can be here and there, but one thing I can assure you, each and every technical tools, strategies, buttons, all the options, everything is available. So if you can see that, like there is a tower with 3 buttons, so the last one is known as technical analysis. If I'll click on that one, a new window is going to pop up. If you are using the mobile application, so the same button is going to be visible somewhere on the top. You will be able to see your account balance somewhere at this place. you will be able to see the name of the asset which is open on your window, and just write to that, guys. Same shape, alphabet A. It's like alphabet A in English, so the same shape is going to be there. Once you click on that one, click on the strategies, scroll a bit down, and here we go. Friday strategy. This is the name of the strategy. Black Cobra ji, I am not going to give you any signals, but what I am going to do, I am going to teach you a technical tool, going to teach you a strategy, how that is working and how that strategy is making signals. I'll be teaching you that, because see, this session is hardly for next 40-45 minutes, and of course you are going to trade after that also. Then how you will be able to trade after that? Considering that thing, I'll be teaching you some strategies. Then you have to practice that on your demo account. Once you will be able to get a hold on that one, then of course you will be able to trade on your own. No need to depend on anyone. Because see, if I'll tell you, okay sir, open a trade in upward direction or open a trade in downward direction, why in upward, why in downward, I'll be clarifying those doubts. Okay, so stay connected, and of course there is a one small surprise which we are going to have during this session, where you will be getting some small prizes. So make sure you stay connected till the end of the session and be part of that. Okay guys, so these two lines, these are stating that it's an advanced level strategy. Name of the strategy, these two buttons are stating it can be used for FTT, which means fixed time trade, and FX, which means forex trade. You can use it on both of them. Once I'll click on this, new introduction video window is going to be there. I am making it very quick because I am trying to cover most of the time on this strategy part. But still, if you will be facing any doubt, of course I will. Okay, so Robert is saying that I blew up account yesterday, I need help. Robert, I'm here to help you, but just tell me, what is your status on the platform, like whether you are expert, starter or advanced, and second thing, did you use any strategy, or you were just only based on candle patterns, like candle colors? Please just give me some information so I can help you according to that. A small introduction video. Right now you do not need to spend time on that. I am here to serve you, so of course I am going to take care of that one. Small piece of introduction, you can read it, or I'll be taking care of everything. 3 indicators we are going to use. It's a one indicator but with 3 different frequencies, so we are going to consider it 3 indicators different. It's EMA. Once I click on the enable strategy, you can see that there are some colorful lines which are drawn on my chart. Now these colorful lines are the one those who have the power to fill some colors in your life. I mean to say, those who are going to help you to improve your trading skills. If this strategy is locked for you, okay, I'm Srikji, as you are starter, so I am sure that that strategy is not going to be open for you, but don't feel disheartened. I'll tell you how to apply this strategy manual. Guys, no need to buy any strategy, or most of the strategies you can apply manually also, so no need to spend any extra buck for any strategy. EMA, all you just need to apply EMA 5, 13 and 55. How you can apply it, like this is a window, just click on this one. In the search bar, just type EMA, click on this one. See, by default frequency is 20, but we need 5, 13 and 55. So first I'll click on this one, I'll make it 5, again back, again add EMA, again click on this one, just make it 13, change the color. So this is how you can apply the strategy manually also. And once you applied the strategy, so if you don't want to apply it again and again, the best which I can suggest, click on these 3 dots, click on save strategy, and strategy is ready to use without paying anything. So guys, so far any doubt, any question, any query, put in the comment section. Okay, so Robert is saying that I am advanced, but my problem is small capital because I use strict Bollinger Band strategy. I don't know how to recover from here. Robert, see, it's not only it's not ever about your capital, like what is the size of the capital. It is also about how you use it. I'll cover that also, that how you can use it more wisely and how you can recover your funds. Just stay connected, just give me some time. Let me just introduce the strategy, how it works, and when we will be doing some live action. So of course I'll be coming to your point, your doubt again, but just stay connected. Okay, So guys, all you just need to focus on these EMA lines. So all you just need to focus on, first you will be focusing on the smallest frequency. So you know that there are three frequency, 5, 13 and 55. Let me just make them a bit more dark, so that will be more easy for you to see. Just give me a minute guys. So I believe now this is more visible. So guys, see, all you just need to check the movement of EMA 5 irrespective to the another two EMAs, or you will be considering the smaller EMA as compared to the bigger one. So like if you are checking the frequency of 5, you can check as compared to the 13 and 55 both, but if you are checking the movement of 13, so you will be able to check or cross verify with the help of 55 only, because 5 is lower than that. So all you just need to find the places whenever the EMA 5 or 13, or just for the beginning just focus on one. Let's not make it confusing. Let's focus on EMA 5. So whenever the EMA 5 will be intersecting any of these, I am repeating myself, any of these, whether that is the EMA 13 or 55, in whichever direction the EMA 5 is going to intersect, that can be the direction of the market. Let me explain it again. So whenever the smaller frequency of EMA is going to intersect the bigger frequency, like 5 is going to intersect 13 or 5 is going to intersect 55, in whichever direction the intersection is happening, if the EMA 5 is intersecting in the upward direction, market can go into the upward side. In the downward direction, market can go into the downward direction. See, so there was an intersection of EMA 5 with 55 in upward, two candles green, downward, downward market, upward, upward market. See, so it's very easy to understand, very easy to use. All you just need to focus on the smallest frequency, or you can just consider it. Let me make it more easy with an example. So just consider like these are three brothers. So this is the youngest one, the middle one and the eldest one. Market can be considered as the mother. So in whichever the direction the youngest one is running, so market will be following the same, even though the market is, the EMA is following the market, but just to memorize it you can use this example. So if the younger brother is moving downward, so mother is also following the same. See, so market upward, downward. So many examples you can find on any asset, anything. It is the logic is going to be same. So see, the intersection happened in the upward direction and market went to the upward side. Okay, just a minute. So there are some M streak. It's all about risk management. Of course, M streak G, this is something which you should be controlling. And of course, Devinder Ji, you also stated the same thing, that you should control. Okay, you asked how to control the emotion trading. No worries, sir. I'll be covering. Give rupees 700. Neeraj Ji, I would love to help you with that one, but I'm so sorry, but I won't be able to. But if you want to get something, just stay connected. I'm going. Let me just open up the surprise also, guys. I'm going to have a quiz session where I'll be asking some questions. If you will be giving the correct and quickest answer, you will be getting a $5 risk-free trade. So you can get that. Which is your favorite strategy? Devinder Ji, Friday is also one of my favorite. Then I am using Kite Martin. I am using the Millennium also. So there are so many strategies. It's not always about that which is my favorite. It should be about which is your favorite and on which you are able to get a hold of the market. Because there is a possibility that the strategy which you are using and you are able to make profit, I am not able to make, and it could be vice versa. So consider that thing also. So always focus on the strategy on which you have a good hold. Like just imagine if I am saying that, sir, Kind Martin is one of the best, but you are able to make profit with the Friday, use Friday. Don't follow my words. Follow your results. Okay, Black Cobra Ji is asking candlestick time frame and trade time frame. Very nice question, sir. I was also about to talk about the same. So guys, see, in this strategy, the trade time frame should be 2 to 3 candles. I am repeating, 2 to 3 candles. Why I am stating in the form of candles? See, if the chart time frame is 1 minute, so 2 to 3 candles means 2 to 3 minutes. If I'll increase the chart time frame from 1 to 5 or 10, so 2 candles means 20 minutes or 3 candles means 30. Why I am not stating directly in the form of time? So there is a possibility that you will be applying a chart time frame of 10 minutes, and then you will say that okay, Kunal said that you should take a trade for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. You will start taking a trade on the basis of a chart of 10 minutes. You will start taking trade for 2 minutes. So of course we can't expect very nice accuracy. So considering that thing, focusing by focusing on that thing, do not follow the exact time, just follow the chart time frame which you have applied. Then as per that you can follow the trade time frame. So if the chart time frame is 1 minute, trade time frame should be as per that. Okay, so I have which do you think is an accurate strategy? M-streak, as I have already talked about, it's all about on which strategies you have practiced. The more you practice, the more new you will be coming up with more new ideas or with new formulations, with new set of rules, and that is going to help you to make profits. So this is how, that is the reason that we are teaching you so many strategies, so you can try all of them, brush up all of them, and whichever is shining the most, you can use the same. So far guys, if you have any doubts regarding this strategy, that how to apply it manually, automatically, or how to use it, just let me know, because we are just about to start the live action. We are going to start the live trading. But before coming to that guys, a small piece of information. See, it's a financial market guys. There is a possibility of partial or fully loss. So considering that thing, always work on your skill also, because I believe earning is there only after learning. And it's not only about the trading, it's about everything. Whatever you are going to do in the in your life, or you have done in your life, I can assure you one thing, that you have learned it from any source, irrespective from your family, school, friends, neighbors, relatives, anyone, but you have learned it once. Or observing something, that is also part of learning. So you have learned it everything, so why not to spend some time, or why not to invest some time on learning trading also, because this is a place where you can earn also. But again, there is a possibility of partially loss. So considering that thing, work on your skills first. Second thing, all the trades which I have taken in the past, I am going to take right now during the session, or I am going to take in future. Everything is depending on my skill set, on my practice. I am responsible for that. And third, and the most important thing guys, this session is live. I know we are talking live with you, but there is a time telecast gap which lies somewhere between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that which trade I am going to open right away, or the conversation which I am having with you right away, so that will reach to you after 30 seconds or 1 minute. So there is a possibility that if I will be opening a trade, so that will be visible to you after some time, and that can lead to a negative trade. So considering that thing guys, please avoid copy trading. Learn the strategy, talk about that strategy. If you have any doubts, feel free to talk to me. I'll be taking trades on your behalf. Of course, I am not going to share my profit with you guys, but one thing I can assure you, that you will be getting some information, you will be getting some confirmation that how that strategy works. So consider that thing, learn the strategy first, and then Santoshji, you are right that Asia composite can go into the upward direction, but the signal is about to be formed, and see, so there was a rejection from the from the top. Now we can consider that the signal is in the formation. Let's see, or let's take our first trade. Okay, so now guys, I'll start shuffling the cards, I'll start shuffling the assets, I'll start hunting for the signals, and if I'll be finding anything, I'll be opening trades back to back on different assets. In case in the meantime, if you will be able to track any signal, you can drop me in the comment section. I'll be taking trade on that one, or I'll be giving you some feedback sorry, I'll be giving you some feedback about the same, and then we will check together that whether you picked a perfect signal or not. Okay, so let's see how it works. So guys, so far any doubt, any question, feel free to drop in the comment section. And one more thing guys, I am going to open back to back trades, because I want to show as many examples as we can. but there are no such compulsions, there are no such scenarios on you. So considering that thing, when you will be trading with any of the strategy in any of the market, you do not have such conditions that you have to show some examples to anyone. So consider that thing, wait for the result. Once the result is declared, whether that is positive or whether that is negative, or like whether you need to work on your money management or your risk management, then calculate your next amount and take the trade. Because if the trade was positive, of course some of trader increase the amount how much it should be. When the trade is negative, you should decrease the amount how much it should be. So there are some topics. If you want to know about that also, just do let me know in the comment section. And now I'll be talking about two questions. So one of the question was from Robert. So he was saying that I have a small capital because I use strict Bollinger Band strategy. I am not sure, sir, if you are stating Bollinger Band or martingle. Please confirm me. But I'll be talking about both of them. See, Bollinger Band is something which is going to help you with the market reversal, and that is going to help you with that specific window. And if I'll talk about the martingle, guys, see, martingle can be used in two different ways. First one, whatever the trade amount you have invested, double it up to with that hope that the next trade will go positive and you will be able to recover everything which you have lost in the past. So let me give you two examples of that one. First one, I took a trade for just a minute. So there is a comment, what is the best method how to predict that particular support or resistance will work or not? Very nice question, Devinder ji. Just give me a second, let me just cover this one, then I'll come to your doubt also. Yeah, so just imagine I have taken the first trade with $10. The trade was positive and the trade was negative, so I double up the amount. I took a trade for $20. That trade was negative again, so 20 plus 10 is 30, so I'll be taking a trade with $60. So that is a authentic, or that is a basic martingale which you can use to recover your funds. And at the end of your the result of your third trade, you will be wiped out with $90, like you have lost your $90. Now see, guys, understand one thing, if my $10 trade was not positive, then what is the confirmation that 20 will be? There is no surety. So considering that thing, if you want to recover your funds, see, everybody want to recover your fund. If you want to use martingales, first thing, don't use martingale more than 3 or 4 steps. I am also using martingale, but maximum to maximum 3 steps, not more than that. Let's see the result. Okay, so 3 trade, all 3 went into the negative. No worries. Let's change the trade time frame and also check how that trade can be in a better way. Let's see. Okay, so even though if we would have opened a trade for 3 minutes, that was supposed to go into the negative side because there was a sudden market fluctuation. No worries, let's see the next trade. What was the reason behind that one? So we have taken a trade in the upward direction. If this trade we would have opened for 3 minutes, that there was a possibility to go into the positive side. Let's check the third one. Again the same scenario, so it is showing a 5-minute time window. No problem, let's try with the 3-minute time window, guys. Let's try. Devinder ji, just give me 2 minutes, I'll be opening a couple of trades and then I'll be talking about your question also, and the question asked by the one of our trader, Robert. Just give me a quick moment, because US market is already open, and guys, you can see that flat market and consolidation happening into the market, but nothing to worry. Let's try. Okay, so there is a signal, market is trying to follow that also. Let's try, no worries. If my this trade will go into the negative side, I'll just change the amount also, not only the time, because that is the part of the risk management also. So nothing to worry. This signal is quite old, so I'll not be taking trade on that one. Once this EMA 5 will be intersecting EMA 55, then I'll be taking a next trade. Okay, so we were talking about the martingale. So see, if my bigger trades are not going into the positive side and I want to recover my funds, so guys, it's very easy. Trade with small amount. Now if my $10 trade was negative and I want to recover 10, then rather than going for a trade with $20, I'll be taking a trade with 12 or 13. If that trade will go into the positive side, of course I'll be able to recover my funds, and if that trade is going to be negative side, so my total loss is going to be 23. 10 plus 13 is 23. If I'll be taking the third trade with 27 in even, I can take a trade with 26 or 25 also, but if I'll just to make it a round figure, if I'll be taking a trade with 27 and if the third trade is also negative, so my total loss is $50. I have followed the same approach, I have followed the same martingale to recover my funds. 3 trades were negative in both the scenarios. In one scenario I lost $90, in second scenario I lost $50. So I have saved $40, which is going to help me to trade for a longer duration. So this is how you can use a martingale in a smarter way. Of course that is not going to help you to make profit, but at that time your tendency is only to recover your funds. You are not running towards your profits. So considering that thing, focus on that part. Okay, so how to control emotional trading, and there was one more question, whatever I need to do that. Nivijag, this is something like you should work on if you are also following the martingale. Guys, understand one thing, if your bigger trades are not going, if your $10 trade is not going positive, then what is the surety that the bigger trade will go positive? So considering that thing, try to maximize your portfolio. Robert, this is something for you also, like if you have a small capital, if you have $50 or $100, use it in that way so that you will be able to take more trades. And see, if your back to back 3 trades are negative, take a break, switch the asset and again come back, check whether the market is stable or not, because this is something which I am keep on repeating, guys. To make money in the market, there are 2 major conditions which has to be there. First one, hold on market. If your strategy is working properly, if your technical tool is working properly, you will be able to make profit. Second one, amount in your account. Guys, if the market is too stable, too smooth like butter, but if you don't have funds in your account, I can write it down on a stamp paper that you will not be able to make profit. How? Because you don't have anything to invest, guys. So consider that thing. And if you have a tendency that, okay sir, once the market will be stable, I'll make a deposit again, change this tendency. I'm always saying to my trader, guys, rather than making deposit again and again, make one deposit and use it again and again. I was also expecting the same, no worries. So we took 2 trades, one trade was positive, oh sorry, this one trade was positive and the second one is seems to be going negative. I'll tell you the reason also, guys. See, this is the support resistance level, so this is a resistance level, market tried to cross over it. The second the formation of second candle was also from the same, even though there was a rejection from the upper side also, that market tried to move into the upward direction. See, let me show you the formation of this candle. So this wick is longer as compared to this one, so I just assume it in that way that market tried to move into the upward direction but was not able to, so market can go into the number. And see, there was the crossover was reversed. No worries, if we will be getting any crossover on with these lines, I'll be taking a trade in downward. And let's take a big trade with the $50 RFT. So already we know that there is so much volatility in the market, so considering that thing, just to be aware of that one, just to be safe from these sudden volatilities, let's use some RFT because we already have that. Okay, so what is the best method how to predict the particular support or resistance will work or not? Devendraji, very easy to understand. See, whenever you are using any strategy, I'll talk about 3 more conditions also. Before that, I'll just cover the Devendra's doubt. So how to check whether that specific level is going to be useful or not? See, this is the if we'll consider the market at this level, so that was the resistance level. Or let me show you a better example also. Just give me a second, let's zoom out. Okay, so see, here we have an example of support. Let me show you with the drawing also. Okay, so this can be considered as a level of support. See, if the market is trying to cross this level, and the candle completion was below this level, and the next formation of the candle was below this level, so market will move into that specific direction. If the market is trying to cross over this level and this candle close somewhere at this level or any of these level, something just which is on the upper side of this line, and the next candle will form on the upper side of this line. So till the time that specific candle will not cross over this level, so we will not be confirmed that the support level is already crossed, or the same with the resistance also. I am repeating myself. So while the formation of the candle, we will be considering that where that candle got finished and where the next candle started. If that was that was at the level of which was below this line, below the support line, or above the above the resistance line, so we will be considering that level has been crossed. But if not, then we will be waiting for the completion of very next candles. Now just imagine if this candle will start getting formed from this somewhere at this level, or anywhere just which is on the upper side of this level. So I will not be focusing on that candle. I will be focusing once that candle will be completed, and if that candle will get formed at this level, and the very next candle will start at this level, so I will be taking a trade with the help of support and resistance. And guys, this is something which you can use on any strategy. Doesn't matter whether you are using Friday, Millennium, Kind Martin, anything. That is a condition which can be used as a general information, general condition. I'll clarify these conditions also. Let me tell you that there are three conditions, guys. First one, there should not be any support or resistance level. Now imagine that if there is a signal in this direction, but the market is stuck somewhere in the support level or in the resistance level, I'll not be taking a trade. I'll wait for that. Once that level is crossover, so I'll be having two confirmation, one from strategy, second from support and resistance. So I'll be taking a trade on that way. Second thing, always trade in a trending market. As we always say, trend is your friend. So considering that thing, hold hand of your friend and take trade. Never ever trade in the consolidation market. Market is always moving in three different directions. First one is upward, downward, and this is something which we can consider as the consolidation. 3 red, 2 green, 2 red, 1 red, green, red, green. So this is something a consolidation. How you can find that the consolidation is happening there? So like whichever the technical tool you are using, if you are using MACD, so the MACD line will be very near to the zero level. If you are using these EMAs, so you can see that the gap between these two lines is very less as compared to this one. Or see, this is a perfect example of consolidation. All three lines are very near to each other. And the third one, formation of the candle. Now guys, see, this is a candle, it's a green candle, so it was stating that market can go into the upward direction. But this week, what it is stating, that market was trying to go in the downward direction, but there was a rejection, so the next candle can be in a upward side. There is a reversal also, like the market tried to go into the upward side, but there was a rejection, so market can go into the downward side. And second confirmation we will be getting with the proper body of the candle. So see, if I'll consider, let me check any example with the trending market. Just give me a second, guys. Let me show you one example with the trending. See this. So this body, it is trying to say that the body size is bigger as compared to the wick. So market trend or that specific trend is having a strength as compared to this one. So this is trying to state that the whatever the trend is going to be there in the market, that is somewhere that is having some strength, so the market can follow the same. So as you can see, the same was there. Again, red candle tried to say that market can go into the downward direction, but wicks are saying that no, the trend is not sure that is going to be that strong, and we can find the same. Again, there was a green candle, red candle, green candle, and consolidation. So consider these things also. Support resistance level should not be there, trending market should be there, and the body of the candle. Okay, so there is one more. Okay, so Robert, I understand I can't use martingle with a small amount, but now a problem is finding another capital. Robert, see, understand one thing. you can't use martingle with a small capital, but understand one thing, with a small capital you can make a bigger one. What I am trying to say, doesn't matter like whether you have $50 in your account or $5,000 in your account. If you will be using it wisely, only then you will be able to make some profit. Okay, so considering that thing, next time whenever you will be making any deposit, rather than using martingale, take 10 trades with $1 each. Just imagine you have an accuracy of 40%. So 4 trades positive with the profitability of 80%. Again, $3.2 in your account, so you will be having 7.2. Again, you will be able to take 7 more trades. Again, imagine out of these 7 trades, only 3 trades were positive. 3 plus 2.4 trade, $2.4 more. So you will be able to take 5 more trades. So this is how you can use your capital for a longer duration. Second thing, there is a possibility that at one level you will be able to make more accurate profit trades, and that is a place from where you will start generating your capital. Okay, so this trade we okay, we have already checked, we have taken this trade, but there are so much, guys, so much volatility is there. Let me tell you the reason for that also, like which I believe. Okay, as we can see that we are already late for the contest. Guys, let's talk about the strategy later. Just give me 2 minutes. Let's kick off the contest. So I'll be asking some questions, and during that questions, you just need to give some you just need to give me the quick answer. The quickest and the correct answer is going to be the winner. Okay, so let me just make it quick. Okay, so guys, I have shared the link of the sheet where you can add the add your answer. So see, if I'll just open the same link, here you just need to put your user ID, your answer. User ID you can fetch from here also. Just copy it and just paste it here. Make sure you make it ready so you can put the answer as early as possible. Okay, so guys, let's start with the first question. Whosoever will be giving the right answer, he will be getting $5 risk-free trade. So make sure you give the correct answer, and it should be quickest also. And multiple answers are not going to be considered, so consider that thing also. Think wisely and then submit your answer. And all the answers which are submitted on the link, we are going to consider that only. Okay, so the first question is, on which asset on the platform is it possible to trade for the only possible expiry time? Or let me make it more easy, on which asset you cannot change the time frame of the trade. There is a fixed time and you have to trade with the same. The time start now. You have 30 to 35 seconds to answer. I will be checking whosoever will be submitting their answers, and I will be announcing the winners right away. Let me clear the answer again. Question again, on which asset there is a fixed time to trade? You can't change the trade time frame. Like see on this one, or if I talk about this one, I can change it. I can opt any, but there is one asset where the trade time frame is fixed. I can see that I have started receiving answers, but so far I have received only one answer. Guys, make it quick. If you want to earn $5 risk-free trade, make sure you submit your answer. All you just need to open the link, put your user ID, put your answers, and click on submit, and that answer will be in my bucket. Okay, very nice. So guys, time's up for this question. So the answer for this question is Quickler. Quickler is an asset where you can trade only for 5 seconds. See, you can't change the time frame. Okay, and the answer which we received, that was from, just give me a second. Okay, so the trader ID is 1096313370. Guys, whosoever was the winner, please confirm me your name in the comment section. So I'll be announcing your name. So you will be getting $5 risk-free trade. I'll make sure that you will be getting as soon as possible. So it's very easy. I believe that was very easy to earn $5 risk-free trade. And the best part of risk-free trade, if you are not aware, guys, if you will be taking a trade with the risk-free trade with the help of, let me show you. See, I have taken a trade for $50. My trade went into the negative side, and the amount deducted from my account is 0. So you will not be facing any deduction from your account, or mean to say you will be getting the refund of the same if that trade will go negative, and if positive, of course you are going to enjoy the profit. So that is a very easy way, easy way to win some risk free trade. So guys, let me cater this second question. This time I tried to make these questions a bit more easy so that most of the traders can win, but of course we also consider that each trader should have a proper opportunity. Slimo, thank you so much for your answer, but you should have added in the sheet itself. And whosoever was the trader ID 1096311370, please confirm me your name in the comment section so I can announce your name. Okay, let's move to the second question. This one is more easy, guys. This one is very easy. So there is a asset, crypto composite index. All you just need to confirm me that what was the maximum price of crypto composite index in January 2025. Very easy, guys, very easy. What was the maximum price of crypto composite index in January 2025? Such capital. Just give me a minute, Slimo. I'll be talking about your doubt also, guys. I have pasted the answer in a question in the comment section also. You can use this link to add your answer. Just open the link, add your trader ID, add your answer, click on the submit, and just submit it. It's very easy, guys. I'll just give you a small hint also. Just open the specific asset, make some changes in the chart, and you will be able to find the answer. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy to get that $5 risk free trade. Let's see how many answers are there. So you have 30 more seconds to go, and then we will be closing the windows. Sir, I am stating what was the amount, what was the maximum price. I am repeating, what was the maximum price on crypto composite index asset in January 2025? Let me make it more easy for you. So I have just make some changes. I am just scrolling it a bit, or let's make it 1 day and check the month of January. So January is somewhere at this level, or this is the level. So this is something where we are in the January. So it's very easy, guys. Let me see if anybody has answered. Okay, so we have received one answer. 54. Sir, it's very easy. 54644. That is the answer which we have received, and the correct answer is 54610. So the trader ID which we from where we received the answer, that was the 610. Sir, I am so sorry, but I have received the correct answer, but that was after the time was over. So the correct answer is 5461066. We have received the correct answer from 109631370. That is the same trader ID who won the RFT in the previous question also. So as I have already stated, one trader will be able to get only one RFT, so your answer will not be considered. I am so sorry. And the second answer, the quickest answer, that was not correct, so no winner for this question. No worries, let's take the last chance. So guys, let's open any of the assets. So let's open the gold. I'll be taking a trade for, or let's not be taking any trade. So guys, as you we can see that the current price of gold is 3028.710 or 730. all you just need to predict the price right after 10 minutes. Or just to make it more easy, let's open a trade for $1 in the upward direction. I just want to confirm the price. So let me show you the trade. So the opening price is 3029.165. all you just need to confirm with the closing price. All you just need to confirm with the price after 10 minutes. Whichever answer is going to be the nearest one will be the winner for the next $5 risk trade. So this one is very easy. You can use your technicals, you can use your luck, that is completely up to you. So I have pasted the link for the sheet again. Just open the sheet, put your trader ID, put your answer, click on submit. You will be having a 5 minutes for that. So okay, we have made one mistake. Let me make it for 10 minutes. I was very excited for the same. Okay, so I have opened the trade. We'll be considering this one, guys. So 3028.575, this is the time, this is the amount. So I'll be closing the window at 1927. Then I'll be announcing the winner. So all you just need to confirm me the closing code for the same. Okay, so we had some questions that how to work on your Devendra, he asked me a question that how to work on your emotional trading, how to control. Guys, see, understand one thing. If you are not able to control your emotion, that is a place where you will be getting an instant result. If you are aggressive, if you are taking some trades with some pressure, of course you are not able to succeed and you will be able to face some negative results. So consider that thing. If I am taking any trade, if I am doing anything with aggression, that is going to affect my portfolio, and that portfolio is a real money, that is not a demo account. So consider that thing, think that twice before investing any amount. Second thing, understand one thing, guys, as I have repeated myself so many times, that if you are not able to get a hold on market, doesn't make any sense that you are keep on fighting against it. If you are stating that I have lost some trades and I will be able to recover it right away, that is the biggest mistake which you are going to make, because there is a possibility that there is some fluctuation in the market. Now see, during this session I have faced so many negative results, I have faced so many negative trades, but still I am trading calm. Why? I know if I will be facing some negative results, I have to spend some time to recover it, even though at the end of the day I will be able to recover the funds which I have invested. What about the time which I have invested? So consider that thing. Always try to avoid negative trades. There are two ways like how you can avoid the negative trades. First one, just give me a second, Slimo, I will be coming to your part also. Consider one thing. First one, work on your technical tools, improve them in such a way that you will be able to control your market, like you will be able to get a hold on that one. Second thing, try to hold your funds for a longer duration, so that whenever there is going to be a suitable market, you will be able to trade during that. Now I am coming to your question, Slimo. See, you are saying that how to accumulate such capital, sir. It's very easy. Always start your day with the target, how much you want to make. If you know that you want to or you need to travel from point A to point B, then only then you will be able to reach there one day. But if you don't know that where you want to go, like just take a random example. Every day from home, from your house, you are leaving your house to reach to office. If you know that you want to go to office, only then you will be reaching. If you will just stepping out from your house and you will be start roaming here and there, I can assure you one thing, that you will not be able to reach anywhere, and by the end of the day you will come back after so much exhaustion, after so much tiredness, and that is something which is happening with your capital also. If you know that how much you want to make, only then you will start trading in that direction, and one day you will be able to achieve that. And second thing, it's not about that specific goal should be only for one day. Make a goal for at least 7 days, 15 days, or 30 days. Now just imagine if my goal is to make $700 in 7 days. I mean to say that if I want, I made a deposit of $200 and I want to make 700 profit at the end of the week. So how much is my target for a single day? That is $100. So every day I will start running towards $100. And see, every day is not Christmas, guys. Every day is not Eid. Every day is not Diwali. So of course every day is not going to be profit. There will be some days you will be facing some losses. So considering that thing, with the take profit, you should have a stop loss also. Of course, Limo, this is the capital which I have generated from the platform itself. It took a lot of time. I'll not be saying that I have made this capital in a couple of days or a couple of weeks or couple of months. It took a lot of time. I have withdrawn a couple of time also. So this is the amount which is pending in my account. But what I am trying to say, that I have spent a lot of time to accumulate it. And again, I am coming back to the point. Your take profit and your stop loss, that is something which is going to help you. How you should calculate your take profit or stop loss? Let me give you a small example, small calculation on that also. Now just imagine that you want to make $100 in a single day. So whatever is your take profit, whatever is your target, 50 or 60%, not more than 60, make it 60% maximum. Whatever is your, I am repeating again, whatever is your take profit, 50 or 60% of that. So $100 is your take profit. So 50 to 60% is $50 or $60 of that is going to be your stop loss. So how to use it? Now what is the situation? What is the condition for me? I started my day in the morning. I have $200 in my account. I start my trading. I have a target to achieve $100 in a day. If I'll be able to make $100, I'll leave the market. If I'll be facing loss of $50, I'll leave the market, or $60. Now if I know that maximum to maximum I can use my $50, then of course I am not going to take a trade with 25 or 30 or 40 or $50, because I know if my single trade is going to go into the negative side, that is going to affect my complete capital and I'll not be able to trade anymore, because that is the only amount which I can use in a single day. So of course you will be starting your trading with $1 each. From $1, 2 trades positive, you will increase to 1.2, 1.3, 1.5, 1.9, $2, 2.5. This is how you are going to increase your capital, and by the end of the day you will touch $100 profit and you will leave the market. Second thing, second scenario. Now just imagine that on the first day you face some losses, on second day you face some losses. You have $200 in your account, $50 is your stop loss, so you will be able to use your capital for 4 consecutive days. Guys, so time is up. Let me see if any answers are there. Okay, so there is one answer. Let's see if that is correct or not. We will be waiting for the result of this trade. And okay, let me give you 30 more seconds. If you want to submit your answer, you can submit it, because it's very near to the market. Let's see if anybody want to submit, and then we will be announcing the winners. So guys, let me repeat myself again. So guys, if you have $50 your stop loss, so you will be able to use your $200 for next 4 days. There is a possibility that 3 days you face loss. There is a possibility that only 1 day you made profit. So at the end of the 4th day, you will be having $120 in your account. That is going to help you to trade for next 2.5 days. Now just imagine, this time 1 day was loss, 1.5 day was profit. Again you will start building your capital, and that is something which I was trying to convey in the previous conversation, that rather than making deposits again and again, make one deposit and use it again and again. And when you are taking a trade with $1 or $1.5, so you do not need to follow the martingale also. Just keep a same amount, keep on trading with the same, and slowly and gradually make your portfolio. I know Slimo, that is going to take a lot of time. Mohammed Imdaji, I am very nice, I am very good, perfectly fine. I hope you are doing great also. So Slimo, understand one thing. I know that is going to take some time, but at least you will not be losing something. So you will not be having a pressure to recover the funds first, then make profit. So it's completely up to you. That see, if you are at this level, it's completely up to you. You are moving from this level to this side, or you are moving backward and then going to the front side in the profit side. I'll suggest always try to move in the forward direction rather than going backward and then forward. And one day that capital will start getting accumulated, and that is going to be your profit, and you will be able to make a handsome amount. This is how your money management, your risk management is going to help you. Your take profit, your stop loss are going to help you. Now just let me give you one more example, guys. Just imagine you traded for 7 days. 4 days was you faced losses, 3 days was our profit. So like first day profit, loss, profit, loss, profit, loss, it was like that, or loss, profit, make it anything. So 4 days you made losses, so the total loss 50 into 4 is 200, and 3 days you made profit, so 70 into 3 is 210. So you lost 200, you made 210, so still you are in a profit of $100. Now you will be saying that, sir, what we will be doing with $10 only? Guys, understand one thing, your deposited 200 amount is still there, so you are not in loss at all. You are able to hold your funds for the complete week. Throughout your week you are able to hold your portfolio, so your amount is not in the negative. Second thing, $10 profit is there. So there is a possibility that one day that table will turn, and 4 days will be profit, 3 days will be loss, then 5 days will be profit, 2 days will be losses, and then you will start accumulating your capital. Okay guys, so the closing quotes for this trade was 3033.540. let me see if any answers were there. So there was only one answer, so we will consider that as the winner. So let me see, just a minute. Okay, so this time the trader ID who won the $5 risk free trade is 1022725572. I think it's Devinder ji's trader ID. Guys, please confirm me whosoever trader ID that was. So guys, so far I hope you enjoyed the session, you understand the things, like the doubts, everything is clear. And in the meantime, if you will be having any further doubts, feel free to contact us again in the coming sessions. So make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. Every Wednesday and Friday 6:30 to 7:30 Indian Standard Time we are coming live over there. So during these sessions we will be talking about different technical tools, strategies, and of course your doubts. So make sure next time you be part of that. And before winding up this session, before closing the session, make sure you subscribe the channel, and whatever you have learned, please guys practice it on your demo first, so that you can get a hold on your strategy. You can find that which strategy is suitable for you, so you can use it wisely in future. So till that guys, thank you so much for being such a lovely audience. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead, and bye bye guys, take care, cheers, and many congratulations to those traders, those who have won the risk free trade. I'll make sure those are added as soon as possible to your trading account. Bye guys, take care, cheers.